Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to upload high quality videos on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up TikTok application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the TikTok application on your mobile phone, you have to just simply click on the plus button to upload the video. So after opening up the plus button, you have to just simply click on the below right corner upload button to upload the video to TikTok. So after tapping on that, now you have to simply switch to any of the section which you want to upload. So you have to here select the video. So I'm just selecting any of the video. So after selecting the video, now you guys can see I've selected the video in a TikTok. You have to simply hit the next, which is below right corner. So after tapping on next button, now you guys can see there's a bottom at there is an option which is more options button. So you have to just simply hit the more options. So here what you have to do is just simply scroll down until you're able to find the option which is allow high quality uploads. You guys can see I have toggled it on. By default it was sometime on and sometime off. So you have to make sure that it is on. So after making it on, you guys can just simply upload the videos in higher quality. You just have to simply add description and simply go to post, and you will be able to upload videos in higher quality. So I hope this method finds you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.